One line of bad code can expose your users' passwords to attackers. Let's talk about cross-site scripting and why React developers need to understand it. Cross-site scripting, or XSS, happens when an attacker injects malicious JavaScript into a web page that other users view. Imagine a comment section where someone posts a script tag instead of a normal comment. When other users load that page, the malicious script runs in their browser with full access to cookies, local storage, and session tokens. This can lead to session hijacking, where attackers steal your logged-in session, data theft of personal information, or unauthorized actions performed on your behalf. It's one of the most common web vulnerabilities. The good news is React has your back by default. When you render content using JSX, React automatically escapes it. If a user tries to inject a script tag, React converts those angle brackets into harmless text entities. So this code is safe, even with untrusted user input. However, there's one major escape hatch: dangerously set inner HTML. This prop tells React to trust you completely and render raw HTML without escaping. If you use it with user-provided content, you've just opened the door to XSS attacks. The name isn't an accident, it's a warning. Beyond dangerously set inner HTML, watch out for user-provided URLs and ref or SOC attributes. An attacker can use a JavaScript protocol to execute code when someone clicks a link. Also be careful with third-party libraries that manipulate the DOM directly. They might not have React's built-in protections. Always sanitize user input and validate URLs before rendering them. Remember, React's JSX auto-escaping protects you by default, but dangerously set inner HTML and user-controlled URLs are your main XSS risk areas. Now go practice this answer and nail that interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.